Hi everybody, welcome to week 3. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and are looking forward to another fantastic week on the boards. It was great to see so many people attend the collaborate sessions last week. I hope that you found them useful and that you've been able to answer some of the questions that you might have had about assignment 1. If you haven't had a chance, or you didn't get a chance, I should say, to attend one of the sessions, remember that the recordings are now available on the Padlet, so you can go along and take your time to listen and take any notes that you might have to the recordings. So I hope that you find these really beneficial. And if you have any problems trying to find these links, please let me know. So hopefully you're finding your way around assignment 1 and feeling a little bit more confident now. So just a little bit of a rehash for week 2 and the activity that we did. It was great to see so many discussions coming through and some really great sharing of ideas in relation to the benefits of using ICT within the classroom. So we had lots of similar responses, those in line with engagement and allowing students a lot of choice in, I guess, content and also the activities that they choose to do. There was lots of discussion about enhancing teaching practices through the use of ICT. There was other responses in relation to time management and a whole lot of different ideas surrounding the benefits of ICT. So if you haven't had a chance to get on and post your ideas, please make sure you do. You can always go back to that discussion as well, and also remember to do both parts of the activity as well. So the first part of the activity was to post 2 benefits, and then we were going to go back and give some feedback to other people in relation to the benefits as well. So make sure you do that as the week goes on and pop back into the discussion regularly, and have a go at providing some feedback to your fellow classmates. So I did post some questions as we went through. Remember, those questions are open to anybody to have a go with answering. I am going to go in there and pop a final summary for the week tonight, and then we're moving on to week 3. So week 3 is looking at writing a narrative, which is I guess directly related to assignment 1 with the writing samples that you're going to be analysing. So I just want to give you a quick overview of what you need to do for this. So the first step is to locate a resource that develops a narrative skill and knowledge, and I guess you could look at planning as well, which is the focus for this week. So post the resource, ensuring that you've labelled which skill the resource intends to develop, and then reply to one of your classmates or your teammates, or whatever you want to call the people we're working with in our discussions, about 2 to 3 sentence long critiquing, the resource, and consider whether you thought the resource was appropriate to the age level, developmentally appropriate, whether the resource would develop the assigned skill and the preparation requirements. So what you need, I guess, to ensure that that lesson or that resource is going to be relevant in the lesson. It's going to be a great week. It's directly linked to assignment 1 and our unit learning outcomes 3 and 4. So looking forward to seeing what you come up with for the discussion. This is particularly linked, I guess, to the sample from Mia for assignment 1A. So make sure you go back and see if you can make any links to the assignment as you go through as well. Remember, we do have our assignment 1 forum up and running if you do have any questions directly linked to the first assignment. Happy to answer and clarify anything that you might have. So have a fantastic week 3 already. I think that's all with reminders, just keeping on working through with assignment 1, which is due in week 5. I hope you have a fantastic week. Thanks, everyone.